up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do something a little bit typical, I guess, nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna walk you, there's so many, it's gonna rain. I get a lot of questions on modifications for my car, cheap mods, like for beginners of just buying your car, you don't want to spend a lot of money. So I'm gonna go through the top 5 things that you can get on Amazon for your 5th gen Camaro. So my Amazon storefront, it has all the Camaro mods that I've done to my car. Then it has truck parts that I've done to the truck, which is only like one thing. And then it has all my detailing products, my pressure cleaner that I use for my Camaro. If you use my links, it helps me, it's an affiliate. And I can honestly just put all of my favorite products in there and recommend them to you. So I hope you help me. Definitely go check out my Amazon storefront if you want to see my opinions on products, recommendations, parts, everything like that. So obviously I have the 5th gen, so some things might work for the 14-15 model, but not everything. So I will just walk you through everything that I have and just see if it fits, I guess. So for starters, this is the Heritage Grill. So this is the more knockoff version of it. So this is the more knockoff version of the Heritage Grill. It's still a Heritage Grill, but I think this was only like $100. I think the original one is like $300 from Fast Tech. So they have the Heritage Grill. This is how it comes with this finish. So yeah, you just take the bumper off, take your stock grill out, and just pop it back in, and pop that one back in. So where I live is like, my house is like, it's displayed, so like people can see my house, like see where I live driving by. Someone just stopped, so I was like, I turned my camera off. I wish I would have recorded it, but I got I guess I got shy, I don't know. He's like, that bitch is fucking loud. What did you do, go to Cars and Coffee this morning? He's like, all the guys that work for me, they all follow you on YouTube and they know exactly who you are. I'm like, that is hilarious. I love that. I love that. Okay, so as we were saying, so these are your LED strips. So you would have to take like a tool to pull it out, and then there's a little tab here. So you pull it this way, and then it's plug and play. So love those. A lot better than the OEM. Another one is these taillight bezels. So I can show you those. Open the trunk. Don't mind that, it's dirty as hell. So you have little tabs right here. You just push them down and then they will pop out. You just have to be really careful because they'll break. But if you're replacing them anyways, who really cares? And then you just push it right back in to replace them. Yeah, my trunk's a mess. I don't want to hear about it. Now I just changed this out, so I'm gonna mark it as number 4, but this is the ZL1 spoiler. So this piece, they come separately. I ran the ZL1 spoiler for the longest time. I just changed it to the carbon, but they have the ZL1 spoiler on Amazon and it comes unpainted. You just have to get it painted. This is number 5, so this would be the wicker bill. It goes along with the ZL1 spoiler and it looks super good. My tag is not expired, I just haven't put my new sticker on. If you have an SS, I'm not sure about the RS, you will have holes here because it reveals. I put little push tabs down in the holes, and when it was gray they were just black tabs. It wasn't really noticeable, so I just wrapped right over it. But that's really it for this video and for Amazon mods that I know about. So if you want to check those out, definitely go check out my Amazon storefront. It has cleaning products that I highly recommend, pressure cleaner that I absolutely love. If you use it, it helps me. I help you, you help me. So you can help me mod my car more. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe. If you do any of these modifications to your vehicle, just let me know. Because I would of course want to know. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.